Need to sign a document in Google Docs? Whether it is shared with you or your own, I will show you how step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign a document in Google Docs. So if someone shared the documents, all you have to do is go to share with me in Google Docs. But if it's your file, just upload it to Google Drive. To do that, all you have to do is select new and then select file upload. So now I'm going to upload my PDF. I selected my PDF and then going to click open. So now my PDF as complete upload. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to open it with my Google Docs. Okay. And now once the file is open, scroll down where the signature is made. Let's say at the end of my pages. And now I'm going to click my cursor in that spot. Now go to the top menu and click insert, then select drawing and then select new again. And now in this drawing window, all you have to do is click this little arrow next to the tool, and here you have to select Scribble. Now use your mouse pad or trackpad to draw your signature. Okay. Okay, so let's say this is my name, Neil. And once you are done, all you have to do is click and save and close. Now the signature will appear in the document. You can click it. And here you can see, you can drag your signature. You can resize your signature as well to fit the line. And if you want, you can still edit, and there are other options you can try. Make sure it looks good, especially for official documents. If the documents was shared with you, it may autosave. Otherwise, all you have to do is click share and send it back or to the file, and then download to keep a copy of it. And that's how you sign a documents using Google Docs. Easy, free, and no extra tools needed. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.